Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for the month of July 2021 and we will see what are the energies for you in this coming month. Okay, so we will check out your past, present and future energies in this reading, and at the end of the reading I am going to pull out some cards for you as an advice from the universe. So let's get started. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Right, so let's see. Taurus, July 2021. Taurus, July 2021. So the obstacle for you this week is the Emperor, and the overall energy for the reading is the Devil. Along with that, what is hidden from you is the Nine of Cups, the Lovers, Justice, Seven of Swords, Strength, Three of Swords. Alright, so let's see. Okay, I think so the obstacle for you this month is the Emperor card. So this can be something like you are trying to take some charge for a situation, and you are getting some strong dominancy from another person, but you want to take a charge, you want to take a decision for your life. This is the obstacle because this might be a heart problem which you are dealing with. So somebody from the past or somebody in a relationship, you are dealing with somebody, but yes, you are taking some charge. You are the one who is going to take a decision in regards with the situation. This has become, the overall energy for the reading is the Devil. So this has become really toxic. I'm really getting strong toxic energies with the relationship because of some karmic imbalances in the past. Three of Swords and the Justice. So this is something which is hidden from you. So this is like there was a karmic imbalance with this person from the past, and that is why this person is like, why you are dealing with this kind of a person or this kind of a situation, because this had to be the thing which you had to deal with, and you dealt with this thing. This was temporary because the Lovers and the Devil has come up. So yes, this was strong energetic feeling, but this was temporary as well. Okay, so you have taken that decision. It was really good time. You were happy with this person a lot. You have always showed gratitude towards the universe, but sometimes you had to do what you had to do. Okay, so sometimes you really need to take some decisions and you have to move on, let go of these things in your life. So in the past we have the Page of Swords, Four of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. There was a clarity, there was a situation where you had some idea, but you couldn't let that come out. Sometimes we try to analyze some situations and we just hold on to that thing. Like we try to find out more truth, because this is more of an investigation energies in your part. This can be you, this can be your person as well. Out of you both, one was really had some, there was a third eye which was opening, and it was like, okay, I am able to understand why the things are happening this way. I am really getting some intuitions, but I will not reveal it. Okay, you were still holding on to that thing, you were not revealing it, you were trying to investigate it more and more. At present we have the Death, Ace of Swords and Nine of Wands. Now when all the clarity is there, okay, you are ready to take some decision, and that is why there's some kind of an ending with the thing. You are really getting ready for this ending. You are the one who is blocking this person now, so you are not there to accept any of the shit anymore. I don't see that happening in your part. So you are clear about the situation, you are clear about everything now, and the more toxic it is becoming, the more stronger you are becoming. In the coming future, we have the Ten of Pentacles, Queen of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune. So what a beautiful energy, my dear Taurus. I think that, when we want stability in our life, we try to work for that stability, and we are really happy. So you are here to help other people. So if some other people will also come up in this situation in which you were in, so you will try to help that person out in the future as well. So you have become very confident now. You are becoming very beautifully successful in this situation or in anything of your life. So yes, you are working on that thing. You have understood that whatever was happening because of a reason, and now you are there, and now you will not let it happen with yourself as well as with anyone else. So you will try to help other people as well. With the Wheel of Fortune, I'm really getting that the wave of this negativity is actually ending, and now there's going to be new start. We are going to clarify each and every thing now. So what is that? Okay, so let's clarify. Okay, so tell me more about the Emperor card, please. Why it has come up in the obstacles energy. Emperor. Why the Emperor is here. Six of Cups, Ace of Swords, and the Sun. So everything which was hidden is coming up in the light. That is what I'm really getting with this thing, with the Ace of Swords and the Sun. Everything is coming up in light. The fog is removing now. And with the past person, that definitely with something with a person from the past, or there's a person with whom you were really connected to, a person with whom you were dating also. So it can be anyone. It can be a childhood friend for some of you as well. So something is really coming into light, and you are ready to take a charge for that situation, and you will not let anything happen to you, because you are thinking about yourself, and that is very good. Okay, so I'm really getting strong Aries, Leo, Capricorn, Scorpio, Libra, Gemini, Capricorn again. Yeah. Okay, so these are the energies which I'm getting. Strong Leo energies. Yes, strong Leo, Sun, Queen of Wands, and Strength. Yes. Let's see now. What is there for the Devil? Tell me more about the Devil. Too many. Tell me more about the Devil. The Fool, King of Pentacles, and Nine of Swords. So you have dealt a lot. This was a step which you have taken all of a sudden. With this person, you didn't even think a lot. You were like, okay, so everything is going really fine. We just let's start relationship. Let's enter into this thing. I think that there were some universal messages to you. Universal hints were also there, but you couldn't hear them, because when we are deeply and blindly in love with someone, we do not tend to hear any hints or see any messages or see any hints, something like that. Okay, so there were hints. Yes, universe actually showed you, but you ignored them. You found that this person is very stable. I think this is your energy with the King of Pentacles, more Taurus energy. So this is like that person really started feeling that you are very positive and you are very stable in terms of finances, career also, and in terms of maturity as well, you are more stable than them. So that is why they tried to attract you more. And when they felt that like everything they have literally exhausted you, and now everything is done with you, so they were like, now they are like, okay, so I do not want that person anymore, or they are basically now you are really getting those hints. I think this has already been done in the past, so these were the past energies more than present. But no, you know that this is a toxic relationship. You have all the idea of the toxicity in this relationship. Okay, so in the past, now let's see, what do I want to know? Tell me more about the Four of Pentacles, please. The Hierophant, Knight of Wands, and the Judgment. Okay, so you could have been married to this person, or there was an engagement only. There was something in relation with like a strong relationship bonding. There was going to be because of the strong decision, the fast decision making which you were doing with the Fool card and the Knight of Rods. I'm really getting that you were not even thinking for 1 second what you are entering into. You might be this person, this might be the other person as well. So you both were entering into this thing, but when we try to enter in something and when we get some news about it, because you might have got some news or message about this person from some other person, from some other people, and you were like, okay, so what is that? Like in Hindi we say that dimag ki batti jal gayi. So that is why, all of a sudden you just got to know what is this, your light, that just blinked, and you were like, a spark was there, and you're like, okay, so let's just wait and let's just investigate more about this thing. Okay, so tell me more about the Ace of Swords in the present energies. Strength, the World, and the Ten of Pentacles is here. So you are so ready to end this thing that you are ending it in a very positive note. So if this person is not positive, if this situation is not positive, you are positive in this thing. It's like, I am positive and I will only hear what my heart will tell me. Basically, I will try to balance the things. I am, whatever hints I have received before, I might not have really gained those, or really how to say this, you couldn't hear those messages or see those hints before, and now you are doing it. So you are basically joining the dots now, and that is why whatever decision you have made with this person from the past, or this person, you have done it for you, your family, the stability, the positivity around you, and you do not want anything negative to happen. So that is why you are ending this thing. Strong endings are coming up, with the process ending, with the situation ending, creating blocks around you. So you might also have blocked this person, or they might also have blocked you, because they have also started seeing that you are really changing and you are not the same person you were before. Very positive, sorry, not positive, very towards them, and not now you have understood that this person is not the one. So when you have started creating that gap and just distancing yourself, they actually got to know now. So why is the Wheel of Fortune is there? Tell me more about the Wheel of Fortune in the future energies. Queen of Pentacles, Page of Swords, and the Seven of Cups. Yes, so in terms of any situation now, Taurus, you have become very intelligent, or you have become very, when your mind is like, no, I'm not going to take any step just like that without thinking. I will think a lot before taking any step. I will investigate a lot. I will see all the perspectives, whatever is happening, why the hints are coming up like this. If the negative hint is coming up, I will not ignore that hint. I will try to focus it on then that thing. And you are really, this Wheel of Fortune is telling me a beautiful you changing all of a sudden. You used to take some decisions in a very hasty manner before, not for all of you, for some of you only, but now you are becoming more and more aware, okay, of the situations, of the things around you. So that is what is actually helping you a lot. And for you, clarity is very important in life, because until and unless you will not get some clarity, you are not going to take any decision making. Wow. So let's just pull out some advice cards for you, for my Taurus. Some advice cards, please. Knight of Swords, Eight of Cups, and Ten of Cups. Yes, so your priorities in your life are changing, and that is the advice for you, that try to just change the priorities, try to just move away from those things which are not giving you peace, and just run away from the things. Okay, sometimes you really need to take some decisions really fast and just run away for your stability, for the happiness of you and your family and people whom you love around you. So that is what is important. So that is the advice. Just take your inner peace. Your inner peace is important. Your happiness, your priorities are more important, so you should work on that thing only. So that is the advice, and this was your reading. So I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.